Have you ever imagined a motorcycle that can greet you, follow you, and even balance itself without a rider? Today, we are taking a ride into the future with Yamaha's groundbreaking concept, the Motoroids. This electric motorbike has no handlebar or kickstand. The bike uses Yamaha's AMSES, which stands for Active Mass Center Control System. This ingenious tech allows the Motoroid to maintain perfect balance even at a standstill. The system basically shifts the weight of the battery and other components to keep the center of gravity balanced, eliminating the need for a kickstand or rider input. The bike isn't just about getting you from point A to point B. It is designed to create a unique human-machine bond. The haptic HMI, or human-machine interface, gently wraps around your hips, providing subtle feedback and creating a more intuitive riding experience. The bike even has facial and gesture recognition with AI-powered features to identify its owner and respond to commands. Initially, the design team was asked to create the outer covers for a test vehicle with the basic technologies of a bike. The request was for a machine that looks and behaves like a living creature. This concept eventually led to the creation of Motoroid as a completely new type of vehicle. Though it is still a concept, but it showcases Yamaha's vision for the future of motorcycle transportation. It will bring personalized, safe rides and, most importantly, a whole lot of fun. So, would you dare to hop on a Motoroid, or do you prefer the thrill of being in complete control?